What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be going over why I chose to move to Bangkok, Thailand, out of all places in the world, to level up my income and to scale my life to a point where I never have to worry about money again, and I can actually do what I want when I want, with the freedom of actually not having to worry about anything at all. So first off, I'm going to be going over the 3 W's on why I came here in the first place, which I tell most people when they ask me like why I came here. And yeah, the first 3 are the weather, the wealth, and the woman. Now the weather here, it's beautiful 95% of the time. Sometimes it can be a little bit too hot, and other times it can rain a little bit too much, but most of the time it's always beautiful, it's always sunny, there's not that much humidity, and it's just like, it's the beautiful weather you'd want to have to tan, enjoy the day, and to just maximize the effects of like the vitamin D and everything of the sort. But yeah, second off is the wealth. I mean, it's just 3 times cheaper here than in America, and you're able to save and invest and live a more luxurious life for a lot cheaper. I mean, it's 3 times cheaper than America. And I mean, it's getting harder and harder each and every single day in America, with the inflation rates, the wages staying the same, and just the different shit going on there. So I mean, why make life even harder for yourself? Like, I mean, Thailand is literally just a cheat code, especially if you're making anywhere over like 100 grand a year in USD. I mean, you're balling out of control over here in Thailand. So yeah, that was the second reason. And then third is the woman. Back home in the USA, the women were like brainwashed by the media, thinking they were like Taylor Swift's, Kim Kardashian's, Megan Fox's, and expected the world. But in all reality, they were just 2s and did not really deserve that much. So coming out here was just a game changer. And then yeah, one of the other reasons that actually made me want to come out here in the first place was the people out here and the network that's provided for you right when you come here. Because I mean, the thing is, everyone here, 98% of people here that are foreigners, they're making money online in some way, somehow. So being able to surround yourself with people that are living your dream life, which I had long ago, of being able to make $10,000 a month online, just coming out here and surrounding myself with these people, it just ultimately motivated and inspired me to actually make it work. Because back home in the USA, in my very small hometown in Newnan, Georgia, I mean, literally no one was making money online. So I never thought it was even possible. I thought it was all a scam, and I never even gave it the time of day. But booking that one-way flight to come out here with $1,500 to my name, and surrounding myself with everyone who's making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $100,000 a month, it just opens your eyes and expands your horizons to actually show you what's actually possible in this life. Because I mean, it's not about what you know that determines how much money you make and like what businesses you have. It really depends on who you know. That depends on how much money you can actually make. And I've seen that firsthand back in the US. I mean, I thought I was the smartest person in town. I thought I would be a millionaire by like 30, 35. And then I come out here and there's like 21-year-old millionaires, 20-year-old millionaires, and people that are levels above my expectations. And that's a very beautiful thing. But the thing is, a lot of people, they see people doing really a lot better than them. They see people living their dream lives, and they just start to envy, they start to hate, they start to feel a little bit jealous. But that's the wrong emotion you should be feeling when you're looking up at someone and you're watching their videos and you're seeing they're living your dream life. You shouldn't take that as an insult to your life. You should take that as a seed and plant that in your soul. Water it until that life becomes your life, and you can create your dream life for yourself. Because that's exactly what I did for myself. That's actually why I came out here to Thailand in the first place. Because just around 2.5 years ago, I was sitting in my bedroom, watching YouTube, and at the time I was getting into boxing. I was just like watching boxing, and I saw a few people doing Muay Thai here in Thailand, and they were around the same age as me, maybe a little bit older, 2 or 3 years older, but they were foreigners living out here in Thailand. And I was like, okay, well, no way they're just working out here in Thailand, because I mean, the wages here aren't that great. So I was like, okay, they have to be making money online somehow. So yeah, digging in, doing a little bit more research, and turns out that they were doing remote sales. And after doing a little bit more research on YouTube, Google, and just figuring out things for myself, I figured out that all it really was standing in the cash flow, from really big influencers selling a course mentorship community to their audience and helping people level up their lives by teaching them very valuable skills that can separate them from all the other people that only have the skills to work at a gas station, a restaurant, or even a grocery store. Because the thing is, a lot of people hate on courses, they hate on mentorship, they hate on anything that you have to invest in online. But the thing is, college, university, high school, middle school, even elementary school, they're all exactly the same as a course as well, except it's in person. But the thing is, with high school, college, university, 90 to 95% of the time, you're learning a useless skill that'll only give you the skills to click on that cash register on a gas station, to type in numbers on a keyboard in a computer for a business, or to work shitty hours in a shitty environment, driving an hour to work, an hour back for someone you don't even like and appreciate. So you need to weigh out like which one. You need to kind of see, open your eyes to the fact that courses, especially online courses, you're able to find what niche you want to get into, search up that niche, find coaches that you kind of vibe with and that you trust, because trust me, there are scams out there. There are fake gurus, people who haven't been there, done that. But the thing is, in college, university, especially in my university, when I went to school for a business degree, I was learning from a business professor that never touched six figures in her life, never owned or even operated in a business, and I was learning business from her. Make that make sense? It absolutely doesn't. But with courses and everything like that, you can literally learn from someone who's already been there, done that, already reached success, and it's just teaching you the blueprint on how to do it for yourself. So in my opinion, and I think this is the right opinion here, courses, mentorships, communities, and putting yourself out there and finding skills that you actually want to learn online from people who have actually done it is a lot more valuable than spending hundreds, and if not $200,000, $300,000 learning from someone who's never even done it in the first place. Because one of my friends, he's in living Unchained. Basically right now he's closing for an offer and he's like $300,000 in debt for nursing school. But the thing is, I mean, nursing, that's probably one of the only things that's pretty valuable if you go into university to actually learn. But still, you're kind of selling your freedom away for money, because I mean, you're working long hours. You have to learn you have to learn for a very long time, like 4 to 6 years, or maybe even more, depending on like how deep down the rabbit hole you want to go with becoming like a surgeon or something like that. But yeah, you're just not able to actually live life on your own terms. That's why I actually went down the online route of being able to find a way to make money online, so that way I can get to where I want to be in life a lot quicker than going down the university college route, spending hundreds and thousands of dollars learning a very useless skill most of the time. And I mean, with the courses that I bought so far, I have spent probably around $20,000 with like mastermind courses and everything like that, which have all greatly helped me, all have leveled up my skills in sales and other areas of my life. But I mean, with the $22,000, $25,000 I spent on college, I learned absolutely nothing at all. But guys, we are getting a little bit off track here. We were talking about why I came out here to Bangkok, Thailand, and yeah, like I was saying at the very beginning of this video, I mean, it's very cheap to live out here. I mean, my apartment cost around 600 USD. It's a very nice duplex. It's like 2 stories. It has a pool, steam room, a rooftop basketball court, game room, arcade room, and a few other. They have a co-working space, and it's just very nice and luxurious. And I mean, this back home in Noonan, Georgia, or in New York would be anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 a month. So I mean, it's kind of like a cheat code in life. Coming out here to Bangkok, Thailand, it's just like you got the cheat code to live life a lot cheaper and in a lot higher quality, and to actually enjoy the process of getting to where you need to be in life, that you never have to work again. Now, I'm not saying I'll ever retire, because I mean, there's so much stuff to do, so many businesses to conquer, and why ever settle? Because once you settle, once you stop growing, that's when you start decaying, and that's when you start your decline to death. So in my opinion, I don't think I'll ever retire for now. I just want to keep leveling up my income, keep scaling, and this is definitely the perfect place to do it, just because you can save so much more. you can start investing, you can start risking a lot more, just because the cost of failure isn't as expensive back home in the US. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I do want to go over one more thing before I do in this video, and that is the air quality. That's probably the only con here in Bangkok, Thailand. It's not the best, but it's not as bad as India, New York, LA. Like, it's still not too bad where it's like non-tolerable, but it's still not as good as like the mountains or anything like that, of course. So I mean, that's the only con, but everything else is perfect. This is like the dream life if you're looking to grind, if you're looking to network. This is definitely the best place to be. And of course, I'm not getting any commission from selling you guys on coming out here to Bangkok, Thailand, but from my personal experience from the last year and a half that I've been out here, it's definitely the most beautiful place to be. Beautiful people, very nice. No like brainwashed people back home like the US or Atlanta or anything like that. Everyone out here is very welcoming. They're very peaceful, and they're very nice and very caring, because I mean, out here they have a tradition or religion that if they do something bad to you, if they steal, if they kill you, anything like that, that something bad will happen to their families. So I mean, I think it's like karma or something. But yeah, this is like one of the safest places you can live. I mean, I'm walking around with my earbuds in, walking in random places, and I'm absolutely fine. I'm walking around with a lot of money. So I mean, it's just a very beautiful place to live. So hopefully you guys can come out here, maybe come here for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and just see how you like it. See if this is the kind of vibe that you like, and if not, go try Koh Samui, go try Phuket, Chiang Mai. There's so many different places here in Thailand, and it's an amazing place. Beautiful people, beautiful scenery, beautiful nature. Just everything is perfect, 10 out of 10, and I wouldn't recommend it to you guys more. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.